Traveling with just a personal item bag can be a great way to save money when flying, but packing light enough to do so can be tough. So in today's video, I want to share some essential items that I bring on every trip to help make it possible. And let's start off with the most essential product for packing light other than the actual bag, and that is going to be laundry strips. In my opinion, these really open up packing possibilities, and you can pack super minimally if you're willing to do a little sink laundry during your trip. More and more laundry strip companies are popping up on the market, but my favorite right now is Kind Laundry, which is a wonderfully sustainable company with plant-based and non-toxic products. First off, we have some travel-sized laundry detergent strips. And a pack of these on Kind Laundry's site go for $4 and include 6 sheets. They come in the Ocean Breeze scent as well as fragrance-free. These are so small and easy to just throw in a bag, and I love that they make them in this convenient travel size. If you haven't tried doing sink laundry when traveling, it's super easy. You just fill up the sink, add a full or a half strip, depending on how much laundry you plan on doing. You soak your clothes. You rinse. And then you hang dry. And the other cool little product I've been using from Kind is this vegan stain remover bar, which has been working really well. I recently used this on a few stains I had on a hat, and it worked wonders. But basically, all you do is wet the bar, rub it into your clothes, let it sit for a second, and then you wash per usual. This can be a huge lifesaver on a trip though, when you get a stain on your clothes. It's super tiny and it's so easy to throw in the bag, and it only costs $3.50. So if you love these as much as I do, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description as it helps out the channel. And thanks again to Kind Laundry for sending me these to try out. Next up is a packable sling bag from Matador. And this sleek little 2-liter bag packs into itself, and it only takes up 2.5 inches by 7 inches by 2 inches when it's packed. And then when you open it up, it has unpacked dimensions of 9 inches by 5 inches by 3 inches. And this bag is great as an EDC bag when you get to your destination. If you don't want to carry your backpack when going out, just throw this little sling on. And when you're done using it, just pack it up and throw it back in your backpack. It retails for $40 and it comes in this Arctic white as well as slate blue and black. And you can check out some of the other videos I did on this line of bags from Matador, including the Packable duffel and the Packable backpack. Next up, we have a little power bank from Target's HeyDay brand. And there are so many different options for power banks like these, but I feel like this cheap little $10 one does the trick just fine. It also has a small footprint, which is really great for personal item only travel. These really come in handy, especially when you are flying budget airlines. I was recently on a Southwest flight that was delayed 2 hours on the tarmac, and by the time we were ready to take off, my battery was dry. And since airlines like Southwest don't have outlets on their planes, having a power bank to charge up your phone can be essential for just getting a little bit of battery, so when you land, you can call that lift. Next up, we have a little notepad that was passed on to me from my grandpa. And if you watch my videos, you know I love notepads. This one is especially cool because it has the phrase, "dumb things I gotta do" on the front. It always makes me laugh a little bit when I open it up to make a list. But having a notepad can be really useful when packing light for a trip. I think it's always a good idea to write everything down that you need to bring with you before you even start packing. And then lastly, to finish up the video, we'll take a look at this awesome little Game Boy Color. So my wife and I moved to a new apartment a few months back, and we found this, which is her childhood Game Boy, while we were unpacking. I've been really enjoying playing Pokemon Blue on it recently. And the overall footprint of this handheld system is pretty small, so it is really easy to pack. And for all you emulator fans out there, I haven't forgotten about you. I'll be showing off a new one that I recently bought in a future video. But I do love playing video games while traveling, as it's a great way to pass the time. So for me, this is definitely an essential item, and one that is small enough to fit well in personal item bags. So, if you're just bringing one bag on a trip, what essentials will you be taking along to be able to pack lightly? Be sure to leave a comment below. And thanks so much for watching. Feel free to check out the new July playlist on Spotify at the link in the description.